And never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Wait.
The cold on Mario.
So this is what I started this morning. I just started putting up some squid so to rot it off. So I'm just here, me and my brother. So I'm just gonna do what we can. Yeah. I'm not used to this kind of work anymore, for real. Like, it's taking forever. So I called some guys to ask them if they can come and give me a couple of days. So two of them said they can come Sunday and give me a day. So I'm gonna just hope and pray so them come. So Sunday may just make them go and do some work. If they want to come back the next day, they can come back. But yeah, see how it work out. Yeah, but I'm just doing this for now.
You?
You know to say if you can.
I cannot. How I'm going to reach up there? Could you tell me?
You're not going up.
What on what?
You're not going up.
That's what I'm just pointing on.
Hmm?
Why don't you do it?
I am doing it, you don't see?
No, you're not. You're just bending down.
It's raining
It's dropping.
all around me.
See? Coming down really bad. I know you can't see it, but there it is. Dropping, ticking, taking us time.
So you're a partner here.
Who? I already told you.
Okay.
And you need to get rid of the something smiley face for your picnic. See? A little mark.
But this year you are going to trouble enough, right? Hmm? Right?
It's you.
Did I find camera and give trouble?
It's you giving trouble.
Yeah, right. You have proof that you.
Huh?
I have proof that it's you.
Why? I hope it stops soon before it gets earlier. Cause if it not stop soon, I gotta run out. I gotta put down the camera and run less speed.
Right.
Cause you're not hurrying up in.
What do you know?
Cause you're not hurrying. So you need to hurry. Please.
Why?
Please just hurry. Right off the camera. Camera dirty.
What's yourself name?
Of course, my hand in there.
Every trainer wants to see yourself.
I know it's like whoop this.
You want to see that here?
No,
Yes, yes, yes. So why you not take off your mask now?
me not take off the mask.
Why? If you take it off now, you come from school and you know what again. You still need it?
No,
Oh, so why do you still have the mask?
and it's hurting my ears too.
Yeah, you see? Good thing me tell you to take it off. You get used to it, one.
Mommy, she not play with mask. Even when we go somewhere, she always remember her mask. But one time she go away with her mask and she have to run back. She lift me and Mama cause we were there beside her. Mama, Mommy said, just stay beside the tree. I soon come back cause I want to drive.
I'm going to clean my mask.
Alright. It stopped dripping, falling. We can play now. Dripping, falling. We can play now. Oh, it's so dead, Uncle Mario. It's so dead.
How much is this up now? 19. You want me to kill it?
You're gonna kill it. It's you said you want to vlog.
Okay.
It's your fault. It's going to die. All because of yours. See, the cars are wet up. Even yours. Yours is the first one that wet up.
You want me to get it up?
Who you should dry it up.
So we have it now.
Any matter.
Don't help me.
But which material we gotta get to help you?
No, let me do a picture.
The car.
Okay, I want to wash.
Now get some water and sponge or just wipe it. It'll stop falling? Nope. And his face is dirty too.
Mommy,
Yes.
you put it on me.
No. Now look at your face.
Look at yours, man.
Mine. Nothing wrong with mine. Mine is perfectly shiny. He is a rude boy in here. You. Mash up your own camera.
Are you
Mash it
good?
up. Mash it up.
What?
Mash your own camera up.
Are you really beautiful?
But Auntie Shan is not here. You're all alone.
Who are alone?
You're Mr. Lonely.
What? Don't laugh. Don't laugh.
His family is still up of foreign. Memphis, Arisa, Faith, and his wife. Still up of foreign. You can imagine why he did not come with them.
You can't send to them, you know?
Huh?
You can't send to them.
To what? To who?
You can't send to them.
Send what to them?
Send plane to them.
Plane? I'm just a little kid. How can I send a plane when my daddy works at the airplane?
That's why you can't send a plane. So that is
Send Auntie Shan plane?
yeah,
Nah. He don't set the airplane. He only cleans up the engines. The engines. He clean up the engine for the plane, or he sticks stuff up, or he just sticks up something up and up and up.
That's all.
Oh, camera. Gotta put down your camera, you know. They are 130. 130.
This is the battery here. 13%. You see where 13 is? That's where the battery life is.
We
Right?
have how much groups now?
How much percent?
7. Huh?
How much percent is there?
1 and 2%. 1 and 2%, Uncle Mario. Your vlogs to end.
Oh, in the vlog?
Yes.
Alright. In the vlog. What in the vlog?
Oh yeah, I forgot me that number. But my cat turn it off right here, so.
No, but you have to turn the vlog before you turn it off because Auntie Shana will turn on the vlog before you turn off the camera. So, in the vlog. How do you end the vlog? What's your language say?
Huh?
How do you end the vlog?
How do you like end the vlog?
How do you end the vlog?
Is there nowhere I can end the vlog? Like turn it off?
Turn it around. She just says end the vlog. Turn it around and see.
Oh, your battery is going to die. It's at 11.
Yeah. End the vlog.
Before you...
Tell the people them say end the vlog before it dead.
Make it dead on your vlogging self.
Right.
But this is going to take a long time. Because he have a space up here, and right here, and right here, and right here. His window, and right here, go round. And the back. Oh, it's red. It's at 10. It's at 10. It's at 10. It's at 10.
Okay.
Yes, it's at 10. It's not my fault. You said you want to vlog for Auntie Shan.
Stop till I buy it. Stop it.
No.
I'm watching.
How are you going to change your brother?
So Lania was vlogging. So if you see the camera all over the place, it was Lania. Come on, dirty, clear. So what do you end the vlog? What do you have to say? What? You have to tell me what you have to say.
Give me the vlog.
Yeah.
Like that.
Get me the camera.
Give me.
You know, do it some turn off.
Give me Uncle Mario. Yes.
What you have to say?
Subscribe.
Talk to the people then. Come. Talk. Come. Tell them to subscribe to the Williams family. Come. Talk. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
That's you. You said it. Subscribe, like, and share.
You have to talk loud with them here.
Subscribe, share, and like.
They all not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day. You want my